Hello guys, so in this video I will tell you that how you can block someone on Snapchat. So make sure that your Snapchat is opened up. So let's suppose that I want to block this second person from here. So I will just tap and hold, and then here you can see this option called block. Okay, because this person is not added with me on Snapchat, so let's block someone that is added with me on Snapchat. So let's suppose this one. So if I click on this one, so right now I don't see any block option from here because this friend is added with me on Snapchat. But if I click on more, now I see this block option on the top. So I will just click on this one and then click on block. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.